Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We have this beautiful Road Glide. Custom paint is awesome. Audio wiring, not so much. So we got to do a wiring rescue on this thing, get it right. And then the customer insisted on a huge 10-inch touchscreen tablet radio. So we're going to do the new Pioneer with CarPlay and Android Auto. But check out this wiring. Whoa. So the bike looks flawless, but as usual, the wiring does not. So they have an ARC audio amp just thrown in there, a bunch of passive crossovers, and they open up that other bag, Chris. So look at this hack stuff going on here. So we got to fix that. But this is the part that bothers me the most. 2 batteries on the clutch side bag, no batteries on the brake side bag. So the bike's gonna naturally want to lean to one side. That's not safe. If you're gonna do batteries, do 1 in each bag to even it out, or 1 in the center of the tour pack. But we're gonna pull both of them out. We're gonna do an under seat factory replacement, so the bag's gonna be nice and even. We're gonna clean up all this wiring. We're gonna keep the ARC audio amp in front. This one's been damaged from sliding around, so we're gonna do a Sound Digital 400 and a Sound Digital 800 to replace this one. Everything in this front is pretty solid. I like the way they mounted this amp down. That's not going anywhere, so that we're gonna keep. We're just gonna clean up this wiring a little bit. All ARC audio speakers, and got some matte speakers in here. They all work. They're gonna stay. So we got to tackle this mess. You got it, Chris?
So you say that is easy?
Somehow somebody thought this was okay. This poor amp never stood a chance. It's okay, baby.